Just to get out and enjoy the nature. Enjoy the nature. Enjoying the nature at the Sauble Falls. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay? Be careful, eh? Are you guys coming for the fall? Coming to check it out? Beautiful, man. Nice day. And the question that people always want to know. Oh, there's actually a cave right there. I didn't know that. That's a fun one. I'm gonna go check it out. Hello, guys. I love that pose. Yeah. All these amazing people are just checking out the view. Family, friends. Little nice cave area. Overlooking the waterfall. Pretty cool, isn't it? This is the Sauble Falls, and it's not far from Sauble Beach, about 10 kilometers away. And we're just gonna go check it out. Whose favorite song? Whose favorite song is this? This is your favorite song. Yeah, all the people that you see here are also checking out the falls. Yeah, it's really a very beautiful day. The weather is about 25, 26 degrees. Probably perfect time to view this location. This is another one of wonders in Canada. There's water everywhere, beautiness, and the nature everywhere. Presenting Canada to you. One thing that people always ask me is, why are you taking us to all these small towns and all these areas? And my answer is always that Canada is not just about the limelight, but this is what Canada is actually known for. Coming to those rural areas and actually spending some quality time. As you can see, someone is posing. Hey, what's up? Don't fall down, eh? And this is what people actually enjoy doing with their family. Man-made rock, whatever you want to call it. So it actually leads you to the fall, and we have like young kids, they can actually go all the way in. I'm a little bit scared, so I'm not going to go in there. But I just want to show you that this place also exists in the Sauble Falls area, where you can actually come in and do a hide and seek. So if you're wondering, this is also another area.
And so the water.
This is also another amazing view. I'm standing actually on a big rock here. And behind me, you can see the waterfall all the way, going very deep. So this place is a little bit scary. I don't recommend that the kids come here, but it's just another area where you can actually stand